In this clip, I'm going to show you how to adjust the tool rest before we begin. This is the banjo that slides in and out. And right here, this is called the tool rest. This moves up and down. And this is what we will use to support our tool while we're working. When we adjust our tool rest, we want to move the banjo in as close to the material, but without touching it. So to make sure we've got good clearance, move the banjo, but also move your wood blank manually before you start anything. Your tool rest height should be slightly below center, and center will be right in the middle of where your tailstock is and your spindle. And if you have to get down like this, that's a good thing.